Apple releases iOS 17 Beta 7. Today we'll talk about what's new in this beta. My name is Maxim, let's go. First of all, as always, let's talk about the size. The size of this beta is about 500 to 600 megabytes if you're updating from the last beta. Also, Apple released some other betas like macOS, iPadOS, tvOS and watchOS. So what's new in Beta 7? It's pretty simple, because it's just fixing some bugs, for example bug with silent mode, haptic feedback. Also, Apple is still refining some animation for mood tracking in the Health app. And also in the Phone app in this beta, the Encall button when the keypad is fully expanded is located at the bottom middle of the iPhone's display, rather at the right as it was before. If we are talking about performance, I installed this beta on my iPhone 14 Pro and it's pretty same as the last one. And Apple also released iOS 17 Public Beta 5. And actually it's same as developer beta. So that's all you need to know about a new beta. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And also let me know your opinion about this beta in the comments below. And as always, have a good day. Bye.